Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power cable or internal connection failure. If left unattended, it might lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device, which can be costly to repair. To get started on this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement power cable, and some electrical tape. First, ensure your TM21 is unplugged. Begin by gently prying open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once you've successfully opened it, you'll need to locate the power connector. This is usually situated near where the power cable enters the device. Check for any visible signs of damage or wear. If you can see that the connector is burnt or frayed, that's likely your culprit. To extract it, carefully unscrew the screws holding it in place using the Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Be mindful of nearby components as you work, it's easy to accidentally damage them if you're not careful. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've removed the faulty connector, take your new power cable and connect it in the same manner as the old one, ensuring that all connections are secure. After replacing the screws, carefully close the casing, ensuring all clips snap back into place. Finally, plug in your TM21 and check if it powers on. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM21. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the power cable for any signs of wear and avoid pulling on the cable when unplugging the device. Additionally, ensure that the device is kept in a dry environment to prevent moisture damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.